Hi, I'm Alex, and in this video, we'll understand algorithms simple and quickly. Let's go on an adventure. Before we dive into algorithms, let's take a quick time travel trip back to the year 825 CE. There we'll meet Al-Khwarizmi, a brilliant Persian scholar. He was so good at explaining problem-solving steps that his name itself eventually turned into the word algorithm. Cool, right? Okay. Today, to understand algorithms better, we're going to have a fun experience. Let's take a trip to the bakery.
Yeah!
Wow.
Woohoo!
Bakery time!
We're off to the bakery, step by step we go. Flour in the air and ideas start to grow. Mixing like an algorithm, one by one we try cake and code. Together rising to the sky.
Welcome, Junior's AI Academy. I'm Cheff Sweaty. Today, we'll bake an easy, fluffy butter cake. Ready?
Yes, we're
ready.
All right, my dear students. Please carefully watch how Chef follows steps.
Okay, let's start. For making a butter cake, we need 250 grams of butter, 1 cup of castor sugar, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Take 3 eggs at room temperature, 2½ cups of self-raising flour, and finally, 2/3 cup of milk. These are our ingredients.
Very good. Exact inputs. So we know we want to get from our inputs, or ingredients, an output, right? What is the output, little geniuses?
Butter cake!
Yes, well done, Kate.
Okay, let's start. Put butter and sugar into a bowl. Then add 2 teaspoons of vanilla to it. Mix until the mixture is light and fluffy.
That's a step we must do before the next.
Add the eggs one at a time. After adding each egg, mix well before adding the next.
Hear that? One at a time. We should add an egg and mix. Add an egg and mix. Add an egg and mix. Instead of writing it 3 times, we can think of it as a loop. As Cheff Sweaty said, to have a good mixture, we should add the 3 eggs one at a time and then mix, like what you can see on this loop.
Well, the next step is slowly sift the self-raising flour into the mixture. Gently fold the flour in. Don't stir too hard. We want to keep air in.
See, everyone? This is a rule about how we mix. Algorithms can include how to do a step.
And then pour the milk slowly while folding gently until the batter is smooth. Next, grease the cake pan or line it with baking paper. Eventually, pour the cake batter evenly into the pan. Preheat oven to 160 to 180 Celsius. Place the pan in the oven. Bake until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean.
My geniuses, that toothpick check is an if. If toothpick is clean, cake is ready. Else, bake a little longer.
Okay, now remove cake from oven. Let it cool slightly before removing from the pan. And finally, slice and enjoy the fluffy butter cake.
So, what is an algorithm? It's a step-by-step sequence of instructions that transforms input into output, right? In this example, our algorithm is make an easy and fluffy butter cake. Our inputs are butter, sugar, vanilla extract, eggs, self-raising flour, and milk. Our output is a fluffy, delicious butter cake. All right. If we understand algorithms properly, we can have each step happen at a specific station in a factory. Look, here's a cake factory. The algorithm is the same, but each step happens in a different place. Now, let's show the cake algorithm as a flowchart. It helps us see the steps in order so we can follow the sequence clearly. We can draw our algorithm as a flowchart. Each box is a step, and the arrows show what comes next, so the sequence is easy to follow. A flowchart is like a map for our recipe. Boxes for steps, arrows for what to do next. It makes the sequence super clear. What does a flowchart help us do? A flowchart helps us to follow the steps in order. It means a clear sequence from start to finish. Okay, team, one more mission. Pack your smiles to the dentistry. Let's visit the dentist's office and try another algorithm.
Hello, Juniors AI Academy. Welcome to my office. I am Dr. Denti. I heard you're learning about algorithms. So, to understand better, let's brush like pros. First, pick your toothbrush. Second, squeeze a pea-sized amount of toothpaste onto the brush. Third, hold the toothbrush at a 45-degree angle towards the gum line. Fourth, gently sweep the brush away from the gum line with short up and down strokes. Fifth, continue brushing in small sections, covering all tooth surfaces. Sixth, after brushing your teeth, gently brush your tongue and the inside of your cheeks to remove bacteria. Seventh, rinse your mouth with water. Eighth, rinse the toothbrush and put it away.
Thank you, Dr. Denti. We all learned how to properly wash our teeth. Now, let's look at the toothbrushing algorithm. What are our inputs?
Toothbrush, toothpaste, water, and our teeth.
Yes. What is the output?
Clean, healthy teeth and gums.
Yeah. And to go from inputs to the output, we need to take these 8 steps, right? Now, my little geniuses, what turns input into output?
Algorithm.
Well done. So please give me a quick summary of what we learned today.
Input in, steps we choose, follow clearly, no confuse. Bake a cake or brush our teeth, algorithms hum beneath. Hey! If it's done, we check and see. Loops can help with repetition. Whee! Input, steps, output, go. That's the way our patterns flow. Hey!
Okay, thanks for learning with us today. Please subscribe, like, and follow Junior's AI Academy for more adventures. See you next time.
It's time to go, the day is done. We learned, we laughed, we had some fun.
But don't you worry, we'll be
More cool facts and learning hacks.
So give a like
And leave a smile.
Subscribe and stay with us a while.
Click that bell so you won't miss the next adventure full of bliss.
Until next time,
Stay kind,
stay bright.
keep learning big and dreaming light. Goodbye, explorers. Now you're free to be as smart as you can be.